This section heading is called Alerting an Admin. So what we're going to do in this section is we're going to see how we can alert an administrator using a script. So we're going to have this script running continuously, looping through our log file. And when it detects a particular string like priority 1, IDS, DMZ, then it's going to send an email message over to the email server. Again, this is all just a part of a test. We can refine things later on, but this is just to illustrate that we can actually send an email when a threat is detected. All right, so we're going to do everything from Alice's end station over here. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to apply our rules to the interface. So once we have that running, then we're going to go back over to PuTTY. Inside of PuTTY, the first thing I'm asking you to do is to run NSLOOKUP on the IP address that we use within our rule. And what you're going to find based on the name is that it corresponds to an email server. So now we're going to run that script. The script name is called logcheka. Provide our password, and you're going to find that your prompt is going to hang over here. And that's because the script is continuously looping through that file, so it doesn't complete. So now we're going to test that both our rule, kind of like two folds here. We're going to open up our browser. We're going to navigate to the email server. We're going to log in, and just that action, because we're going, as I go over here to the topology, because our email server is up over here and we're matching that rule, what's going to happen is, again, we're going to send an alert. We've got that log file running, and then it's going to send a message. So we're logging in, and then boom, we're going to have the same. It's kind of like twofold, right? So now let's do that. Let's see that verify that it works. So coming over here, we're going to type mx.yourbank.com. We're going to log in as Alice, the administrator. Password 1. Okay, so now that we're on here, we're going to see that we got a message. We're going to click on it. We can't really see it right now, so we have to zoom out a few times. And there we can see that we got the message. So now we're going to verify what we see within the config file. So I'm just going to minimize this, go over here. I'm going to do a tail-2 var log idsdmz.log. And over here, we can see our message.